state government. It is the state elected by the people of Tamil Nadu. What business CRPF got into Chief Secretary's chamber? What business they have got? Whose permission they have got? Did they get the Honorable Chief Minister's permission to enter to my room? And what did they find? They find nothing. And they have searched my Chief Secretary's office in the search warrant of my son. Is my son a Chief Secretary? He is not.
Sir, you are saying all this, but the
Wait.
state government is keeping
Madam, I will answer all your questions, my dear friend. I am not a coward. I am trained by Madam, not one day. She has been training me since I was the collector of Chengalpattu MGR district since 1994. Yes. And 5.5 years she trained me. She positioned me as the chief secretary. If Madam was alive, if this is the condition and status of the chief secretary who has 32 years of service, and what happens to the ADMK workers? What happened to the state government servants? I am telling my IAS friends and the entire bureaucracy in the country, how can CRPF can enter anybody's house or office? If they wanted to search my house, they would have transferred me out and searched me. How much time it takes a chief minister to transfer a chief secretary? 2 minutes. Home Minister or somebody from Government of India could have talked to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. We do not want the Chief Secretary. He is a terrorist, he is an extremist, he is a smuggler, he is this, he is that. We don't want the Chief Secretary. You please transfer him out and come to my house. What prevented the Income Tax Department and how many departments? I don't know. I was under arrest, house arrest for 26 hours and I don't know how many people have entered my house. And why did they come to my house? For what purpose they have come to my house? What is that they wanted from me or from my office? These are all the questions I wanted to ask you. If Madam, Honorable Madam, who is now in Marina, has she been alive? Will this happen to this Tamil Nadu? What happens to the security of Tamil people? I have been serving under the instructions of Honorable Madam. You all know how did I do all the 6 months, 7 months, 75 days I was protecting Madam's health. After her death, you know how did we manage the funeral? You know how did I manage the cyclone? All is evidence. It's evidence. Then what they wanted is to attack the office of the Chief Secretary. Will it end at this? These are the people who should know. People should know there is no security. Anybody can enter anybody's house. Any CRPF can come, CISF can come, military can come. They can do anything they want in Tamil Nadu. This is the condition of the. They could have transferred me out, and within half an hour they could have done it. They have no respect. They have no respect to the state government. They have no respect to the state. They have no respect to the officers of the collectors, officers of the chiefs. How did you believe the collector tomorrow? Who will protect you? We are protecting you. You may say so many things. They have found 1,500 crores worth of gold, so many things. That is a different story. I am just telling you what has happened. And my daughter-in-law was in the advanced stage of pregnancy in Ramachandra Hospital. My son was there. They pulled him out. And they put some people around my daughter-in-law's room. And they pulled him out. At gunpoint, CRPF entered my house. You know, you have seen. All of you have seen CRPF entering my other door up there. You all see, you are all recording. It is there on your files. They have entered my house. They have entered my son's house in gunpoint. They showed the guns. What did I do? I don't know. I may be a big hurdle to many forces. They may be thinking he is a hardcore man. He will abide what Madam Jayalalitha has told. He will abide by that. I don't know. These are the facts. Now you raise questions.
You mean to say that the central government you mean to say that central government was trying to get the state government's secrets?
Are you being targeted?
saying that the central government you think the central government what the purpose
ஸ்ரீனிவாச ரெட்டி சேகர் ரெட்டி வீட்டோட தொடர்ந்து தான் உங்களை சோதனை பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. அதுக்கு முகாந்திரம் இருந்துச்சா?
I am being targeted. I have fear. My life is in danger. I don't know what force is.
why are you being targeted?
I don't know. I don't know.
Sir, you think the central government is trying to get the state government sides after demise of Jayalalitha? What is your link with Shekhar Reddy?
I have no links with Shekhar Reddy. I have no business links. I have thousands and thousands of friends in Tamil Nadu. Start from Ramnath to everywhere. You go and ask anybody. My house is open. Many of you would have come to me. I would have helped many people. I have nothing to do with Shekhar Reddy. I have nothing to do with his business. I have not held any positions where I signed, excepting this chief secretary, and he has nothing to do with any government business. I have not.